Hello and welcome back to channel Tech Monos. In this topic of today, I just discussed how you can get the free domain for your website. So basically, this website will provide you the 100% free top level domain, that is .xyz domain, completely free. Okay. On the giveaway, they are providing a lot of things, free RDP services, free hosting, free domain, free traffic, and many more. But this video is focused on the how you can get the free top level domain for your website without any hosting or extra charges. Also, you do not have to add any card or billing information. But before that, don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell icon to get our latest update, and don't forget to channel for more videos. Okay, so let me go for the new tab of our website and just reveal the website which will provide you the free domain. So it's freedomainnow.com. Okay, so as per domain name, you are very much sure that this website will be providing you the free domain for you. You can see in the screen as well, they are providing you the premium WordPress hosting for everyone, and they are providing you the free .xyz domain for the blogging purpose. So if you look for the website trust level, if you just go for the trust pilot and just check for the free domain now, then this website is worthy, or this is trusted website. Let me check this status. Okay, so if I look on the website also, it has a good review on the website. So it's average review, and it has a good review as well. Okay, so I don't think that this website has a any issue. You will not get the free domain, but I'll just show you the live proof of this domain as well. Okay, now you need to just click on the free domain option. Once you just click on the free domain, then you will just find this type of interface where you can see that there is a .blog domain as well also. Okay, right now I'm just talking about the .xyz domain, because .blog domain, there is some issue with the .blog domain. We are not getting approval for the .blog domain, while .xyz domain is being approved. Okay, now as I'm going to make this video, you can see that there is a countdown timer for this offer. So it means that 3 days 16 hours is left for 300% to get this .xyz domain. Okay, here you can see that this is the domain that they are providing. Okay, now you can see that .blog domain is also here with the $6, but I don't know why it has mentioned that .blog domain offer is also, so they are just providing the .blog domain offer also within 3 days. Okay, now scroll down and you need to fulfill some requirement before you apply for this domain name. There is a subscribe on the YouTube option, Facebook page like, and Instagram follow. So you need to complete 2 tasks among them, because if you follow these tasks, they will provide you the free domain. Otherwise, this giveaway is not for you. Okay, so make sure that before applying for this, you have complete this task. Now there is a domain name where you need to get for the domain name extension. So let me choose this domain name and we'll just go for the check. Okay, so just click on the check and you can find that our domain name is already here. Let me purchase this domain name. Okay, after you just purchase this domain name, this is available. We can add this domain to our cart. So we will just check out this card. Now you can see that you can add a hosting over here. My suggestion is that do not add any hosting plan, because you will just get the approval without hosting. Okay, so it means that if your hosting plan fails over here, or you are not selected for the hosting plan, then your domain plan will also not approved. So it's better to make a partition of this product and apply individually, so that you'll just get this application without any problem. Okay, so here you can see that there is a name server for this domain name, ns1 and ns2, which you can change later as well, or you can just configuration right over here. Okay, let me continue over here. Once you just continue, then you will be redirected to the review and checkout page, where you can see for the pricing of this domain without any cost. Okay, let me just go for the checkout. Once you just click on the checkout, then you will just find that there is a account that is associated with my free domain now account. Okay, I have already created an account on this website. If you want to create an account, then it is very easy. You have to just fill up some billing information and other information, which you can see that I have already filled up, and this is my account where you can choose. Okay, so here you can see that there is no any extra payment method integrated on this website, as your product is completely free. You don't have to pay over here. Now just click on the complete order, and your order status will be complete, and you just receive a order confirmation page or number. Okay, so here you can see that this is your order confirmation number. So you can just click on the continue to client area to view your status of your domain name, where you can see that I have already got a free trial of PPS server from the same website, which I have already made a video as well. Okay, so if you want to also make a video, or if you want to also get the free RDP services, just check out the previous video that I have made on this video. Okay, so here in the domain status, you can find that the domain status is 0. It has already more than 5 minutes that I have wait. After 5 minutes, you can just click on the domain name, and you can find that our domain is live. Okay, we just reload this page, and you can find that this is active. Okay, now you have to just click on the status to look for the domain status, and here you can see for the domain status. Now you can go for the WHIS and check for the domain that it has been registered or not. Okay, let me go for the WHIS. So on the WHIS also you can find that this is our domain name, and it has been registered on the today's date. You can see over here, and also you can find that the same name server has been integrated with the domain name, which we can see in the screen as well. Okay, so this is how you can register a free domain name in this website. Okay, so you are just getting the .xyz from this website. So you are among this 300%, and you will definitely get this free domain name. Also, I'm just going to make a video how you can get the free hosting as well, which you can get the unlimited bandwidth and unlimited subdomain with the unlimited space as well. Okay, so this was for today. This is how you can get the free domain for your website. How do you like about this video? Please comment in the comment section below. I'll be again back with you, bringing you more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Till our tech channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.